If you've seen ads for Odalit Teeth Powder claiming to restore your teeth naturally and removing years of damage, you're probably wondering, is it actually legit or just another internet gimmick? Quick disclaimer, all the information in this video is based on public research and personal opinion. The product page claims that Odalit Teeth Restoration Powder can remove stains, rebuild enamel, and eliminate bacteria, all using natural ingredients. But here's the thing. There's no official website, no customer feedback, and the brand doesn't offer ingredient transparency, which is a red flag. According to Healthline website, tooth powder in general can be more effective than toothpaste at removing plaque and stains. You can even make your own at home. But here's the catch. Powders often lack fluoride, which helps fight cavities, can be too abrasive, and might not list ingredients accurately. Oh, and none of these powders have ADA approval. Pros of Odalit powder. In theory, claims natural whitening, could remove surface stains, may appeal to those avoiding fluoride. While the cons are, based on reality, no visible ingredient list, no verified reviews or testing, not ADA approved, and unknown brand transparency. Odalit might sound promising on the surface, but with no official site, no ingredient details, and zero verified user feedback, it's hard to trust it. For now, it feels more like a product built on hype than science. If you're serious about oral health, stick to trusted brands with real backing. And as always, consult your dentist before trying new products. Hit like if you found this helpful and subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews.